that is how to add a new column, adding a new column, adding a new column into an existing data frame, in Pandas. So guys, as we all have known, Pandas is a software library. It is a completely free and open source library specifically used for data analysis and manipulation. And Pandas providing two data structure, one is series and one is data frame. So guys, in my previous video already I have explained about series and data frame. So now this is one of the nice point how I will add a new column into my data frame. So guys, there are various ways, there are various methods, various approaches that we will see for adding new column into a data frame. So first of all, Pandas library I have to import, that is import Pandas as PD. So guys, PD is the alias of Pandas. So now I will hit run. So I imported Pandas since it is our library. First of all, we have to bring this library into our environment, into my Jupyter notebook environment. So guys, my next step is I will create a data frame. I will create a data frame by taking a dictionary values, one dictionary collection I will consider. So let my collection dictionary name is customer, suppose. So as we know, a dictionary is a such collection containing a pair. In a pair, one is key and one is value. That value may be one value or maybe a list of values. Suppose key, suppose ID contains a list of values 100, comma 101, comma 102. So let then suppose my next key is name, so contains a list of values. Suppose let my value is oxe, name value oxe, then oje, then ove. So this is my dictionary. My dictionary name is customer. So by taking this dictionary value, suppose I will create a data frame. Let my data frame name is df1. So how to create a data frame, that already we have known. So there is a built-in function named as data frame. So data frame is a built-in function coming from Pandas library. That's why it is invoking by Pandas alias PD. So I will write pd dot data frame. pd.dataframe, d is uppercase, f is uppercase, it is a built-in function. Within bracket, I will specify the dictionary name. So my dictionary name is customer. My dictionary name is customer. Now I will print it, my data frame df1. Now I will hit run. So now this is my data frame. This is my data frame name is df1. So in data frame, so key, ID and name. So considering as column 100 oxy, one record, 101 aj, another record, 102 of another record. So now I will add a new column. So first of all, so method one, first one method I will approach by declaring a list, by declaring a list as a column, by declaring a list as a column. Suppose let I want to insert a new column. So let my new column is address. Suppose my new column is address. Suppose there is a list, one list. Suppose let add equals to, suppose my list name is add, suppose otherwise, suppose let it my list name is list one. Suppose I have a list one. So let it my address is Bhubaneswar, then Kotak, then Paradip. Three address value. Suppose I considered three list. So now this is my list one, my list name. So now I will add how. So df1, my data frame name of df1. So my new column. So my new column is suppose address, address, address equals to, so list one. So that means the values of list one, values of list one is Bhubaneswar, Kotak, Paradip. The values of list one will assign into address column. So now I will print df1. Now I will hit run. Just to see, guys, a new column added. So that new column is address. So I hope everybody got clarity. There are another method. Suppose I want to insert another column, suppose let it age column, suppose. So in another way, so I can add age column. So there is a function, insert function, by using insert function, by invoking insert function by data. So suppose I want to add, this is zeroth index column, one index column, two index column. Suppose I want to add my new column, that is age column, but age column I will add in two index. This is zeroth index, one index, this is two index. In two index, so my new column will again add. So let my column name is age. Let my column name is age. So how I will write? So my data frame name is df1. This is another approach. On that data frame, I will show you. So df1 dot function name is insert function. Okay. So my, in which index? My index is two index. Two I specified. Then so my column name, new column name is age. I specified. So as list of values, suppose I will give 29, 27, 25. So list of values I specified. So as the insert function general from another uh, parameter, another argument, so true. So now I will print df1, df1. So now I will hit run. Just to see guys, so a new column is added, zeroth index, one index, two index. Before adding address column was two index column. So when in a two index a new column I added, so now age column, age two index column, address column became three index column. So guys, this is another approach. This is another method. So what is that? By invoking insert function. By invoking insert function by data frame. So we can add a new column. So guys, we will go to another approach. Suppose particularly in df1, my data frame is df1. Suppose another column, suppose I want to add, let it column, suppose let it street. What is the customer street address? Street. Suppose I want to add a new column, but approach is different. So in my another approach is by using or by invoking assign function, by invoking assign function. So it is possible. So how? Suppose let it my data frame name is, suppose I want to create a new data frame, df2 equals to, so df1 my current or my data frame, my existing data frame. So assign function, and a new column I want to add. Suppose let that column name is street equals to, so this contains a list of values. Suppose Jaidev Vihar, let Jaidev Vihar, then Acharya Vihar, then suppose Bane Vihar. So now I will print I will print my new data frame. So that is df2. So simple. So by invoking assign function. So within assign function, so new column I specified. So we will see. So now I want to print df2 value. Now I will hit run. Just to see. So another column added. Another column added. So in this way, so we can add new column into an existing data frame. So there are three methods here I explained. So by using a list as a new column, by invoking insert function, and by invoking assign function. So guys, I hope this small video, so definitely you will enjoy with this video, and it will help you a lot. Thank you.